Welcome to Curious Cubs.
Hello, Curious Cubs. Today we'll be reading Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. If you have a copy, bring it along so we can read it together. Hiccup. Oh no! Pete has the hiccups. Hic, 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 hiccup, hiccup. How do you stop the hiccups? Pete stands up on one foot. Hiccup, hic, hic. Pete still has the hiccups. He asks Callie, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Callie. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down." Pete stands on one foot and hops up and down. Hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Gus, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Gus. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song." Pete stands on one foot and hops up and down. He sings a song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Bob, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Bob. "You stand on one foot, hop up and down, and sing a song and rub your belly," says Bob. Pete does it. Hiccup, nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. "Go ask Mom," says Bob. Pete asks Mom, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. "Hold your breath and blow it out," says Mom. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. "That's it?" Pete asks. "That's it," says Mom. Pete waits and waits and he waits. His hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. So, Curious Cubs, what did you think of this book?
He was having hiccup.
Yeah, who made him feel better?
Mom.
Mom. What did Mom tell him to get rid of his hiccups?
Breathe in and breathe out.
Yeah, did that help Pete?
No. Yes.
What didn't help Pete? The things his friends said, right?
Yeah.
They told him to do silly things. Give me an example.
Don't put your mouth full.
Yeah, they told Pete to do that, but did that help him?
No.
Yeah. Well, thanks for reading with me, Curious Cubs. Make sure to subscribe, check out our other videos and animations. Bye!
Yeah.